What's up, guys? Welcome back to Soul Status Quick Hitters. Today, we're going to be talking about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Mono Mist.
A little different, I might say.
It's ultimately a lot of the same color as what he's been dropping, but it's not like that same knit. It kind of looks like there's a print over it.
Yeah, it's definitely much different than most 350s.
So, Adidas and Yeezy are focusing on releasing some new colorways as per your request.
Mm-hmm.
And this summer, they're experimenting with some... we'll see how popular they are. For me, it reminds me of, my days out on the boat, on the lake.
Really?
Yeah, and fishing.
Pulling out a good old channel cat.
You're thinking of fish scales.
Yeah, some rainbow trout.
And whatnot. I mean, it's an ugly ass shoe. I'm not gonna lie.
So they're supposed to have the Mono Ice in June.
I like those.
The Mono Clay, the Mono Mist, and the Mono Lights.
Okay, so there's gonna be a lot of monos coming out. Let's get used to it, people. Yeah. Let's get used to it.
So, this one, the Mono Ice, reminds me of an Adidas Yeezy Boost White Walker.
Kind of. Because they did do that white, bluish.
Yeah, white and blue. But I don't know how I feel. It almost looks like a translucent upper, and then it has like the I'm guessing like the structure. You know how like they usually do the white structure underneath the prime knit? That's kind of what it reminds me of.
The structure looks way like the cage or whatever you're talking about. It looks way different.
Yeah, it has like I don't know, man. It's got a fishy vibe to me.
It sounds fishy.
It almost looks like Skechers and Yeezy collabed.
Oh gosh, that's an insult.
I know, but that's what it reminds me of.
They also have. Don't wear 350s.
It looks like they're doing metal.
You see the eyelets? Yeah, you saw that.
Eyelets?
I saw.
Yeah.
And the laces look reflective. I don't see anybody buying this unless it's super exclusive, like the Suns, and everybody was talking shit about the Suns. But because it's a pack, I could see them making a ton of them. Usually, that's what they do with packs. And with the release dates being very close together, I take it.
From what we're seeing right now,
1 a month.
It looks like they're all the same day.
Yeah.
The mono pack is all set to release on June 21st.
I think I'm more disappointed with this Yeezy news than any news besides like more disappointed than Kim and Kanye breaking up.
I'm only here for the shoes at this point anyway. Like the extracurricular stuff, meh. Off that narcotic.
Man.
Yeah, so we're going to be looking at 4 shoes releasing. They are going to bring back the rear pull tabs, apparently.
I'm here for that.
Yeah.
Thank you. I was not
Boost,
a fan of
as per usual.
the no tag.
The translucent upper with that. I don't know, man.
Not a fan.
I'm not a fan on the first looks, but you let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. Get in on this conversation. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Follow us on all social media. I really don't have much to say.
Yeah, it's really hard to say anything.
Yeah, they're pretty. I mean, we don't have a lot of looks on them, so I think I'm out of things to say. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
See you guys.
Peace.